Shine bright up all night. Whenever slow.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you quick purple and silver halo eyeshadow look. If you want to try an halo eye look, please continue watching. I have just used very few eyeshadows to get this eye look. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching. The first eyeshadow that I would be using is purple. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V. I'm using fluffy flat brush from pack. It's 346. After packing it here, I would be applying it here on my inner corner. Join both. Move the brush in circular motion for smokiness. Next, I would be using this eyeshadow. I'm packing this on my crease. Move the brush back and forth. I'm using black eyeshadow to intensify my outer and inner corners. To deepen them, use black. Tap a little and begin blending. Black is a very pigmented eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion to blend it with the purple eyeshadow. Do the same here. On both the sides, you have to keep the same. The outer and the inner should be same in halo eyeshadow look. Next, I am using silver liquid eyeshadow on my eye mid. Do not cross your crease line. Keep the liquid eyeshadow within the crease and pull it towards the inner and the outer corner to blend it with the inner and the outer corners. To blend this liquid eyeshadow with the purple eyeshadow, I am using this purple eyeshadow. Do the same on both the sides. Next, I am creating winged eyeliner. I am using a very affordable eyeliner. It is from Inside. Find link to this product in the description box below. It's worth buying. It's affordable, shiny and glossy. You will not regret buying it. Check the link in the description box below. It's a peel-off liner. If you want to know how to remove this eyeliner easily, then please check the description box below. I have mentioned a tutorial on how to apply and remove eyeliner easily. You will be able to do it without messing. Next, I am creating pointed inner corner. After this, I am coating kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. When you are smudging, use purple eyeshadow. The traces of the purple eyeshadow should be visible and the kajal also should seem smudged. After this, I am coating mascara on my eyelashes. When you are coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. And it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Take care and bye.